Hey guys, Eric here today with Pioneer Survival Company, and today we're going to take a look at a new bow I just received. This is the Recon by Survival Archery Systems. Alright, so what makes this bow stand out against all the others is the fact that it's a lightweight and compact bow. It actually folds up into, just small little package right here. It comes with actually a really nice storage case. It's like a type of canvas-like material, and it has these straps on the back, so you can actually throw it on like a backpack, or you could attach it to a pack. However, it's a little too big to fit in like a scouting type bag or something. SAS actually has another bow that's a little more compact than this one if you want to store it inside of a backpack. This one works fine for me though. So going into a little more detail on this bag, it has this top Velcro storage compartment that easily holds your string and the main bow. SAS also sells breakdown arrows that will fit inside this bag, and this bag will double as a quiver that you can put on your back. Now to put this bow together, you simply pull it out of the bag, remove the Velcro, and it has these plastic inserts on the ends to keep it from rattling while you're walking, and then you just fold it out. Let me guess, my strings are all twisted up. Let me get this undone real quick. All right, so there we go. So what you want to go ahead and do, and this is, way faster usually, you simply hook it onto the bottom, lay that flat on the ground there, step through the bow, support it with your other foot, and you're done. You're ready to go out and hunt now. This is an ambidextrous bow. When you order it, you will have to tell them if you're left or right-handed, just for the fact that it comes with the arrow rest, and that depending on if you're left or right-handed, they'll send the arrow rest that fits on the left or the right side of the bow. But it doesn't matter, as far as the bow goes, it doesn't matter which direction you hold it. All right, let's go ahead and send a few arrows up the range here. To be fair, I haven't practiced a whole lot this year, so it's a little windy. I'm a little rusty, so I might not get exact bullseye, but this thing is extremely accurate, so it should do fairly well. Unfortunately, after checking out my arrows, that's why it's always good to inspect your gear before you go out hunting. Two of my feathers are falling off the other arrows, so unfortunately I've got one right now to demo this, but we'll make it work. I've got a camera set up down there by the target, so we should be able to see how this goes. A little bit off, but I'm also a little bit rusty, so that's okay. Getting better. That's almost the bullseye. I mean, I haven't shot in probably 6 months, so this isn't too bad. I'm zeroing it in pretty quick. I probably should have mentioned that I'm shooting from 20 yards right now. So not the greatest distance in the world, but it's okay. That's definitely deer distance. So some quick information about the bow. The bow length is approximately 63 inches long when it's strung, and it's a mere 24.3 inches when it's folded. It comes in 3 different sizes. It has the 45, the 50, and the 55 pound draw, and that's when it's drawn back to 28 inches. Arrow speeds can reach up to 200 feet per second when you're using a 50-pound string on it, and 210 feet per second with a 55-pound. The string is comprised of a B50 Dacron, and the bow weighs 2.4 pounds, depending on what else you have in the bag with it. So overall, the SAS Recon is an extraordinary bow, actually, just for its lightweight, compact design, versatility. I mean, I have no complaints about it. If you enjoyed this video, please follow us on Facebook, Instagram, and YouTube at Pioneer Survival Company, or check out our website at pioneersurvivalcompany.com, where we have online classes, blog articles, your one-stop shop for outdoor information. Thanks for watching.